how to get Prime Video subscription step by step. Intro. Want to watch movies and shows on Prime Video but don't know how to subscribe? Let me show you how to get a Prime Video subscription step by step. Step 1. Open Prime Video. First, open the Prime Video website or download the Prime Video app on your phone. Step 2. Sign in or create an account. Tap on Sign In if you already have an Amazon account. If not, create a new account by entering your name, email, and password. Start your free trial or subscription. Once logged in, you'll see an option to start free trial or subscribe now. Amazon usually offers a 30-day free trial for new users. Step 4. Choose your plan. Select your subscription plan. You can choose monthly or yearly depending on your preference. Step 5. Add payment method. Enter your credit card, debit card, or PayPal details to activate your subscription. Step 6. Confirm and start watching. After confirming payment, your Prime Video subscription will be active. Now you can start watching movies, TV shows, and Amazon Originals anytime. Outro? And that's it. That's how you can easily get a Prime Video subscription. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy guides.